I'm going to show you how we can find phone numbers and addresses using Searchbug's batch append tool. So first, we need to visit searchbug.com and navigate to Business Services tab, and then select Append Contact List. And once we're here, we can now go ahead and upload the list of contacts that we want to append with phone numbers or addresses. Also, please make sure that your file is either in text, CSV, or Excel file to continue. So I'm now going to upload a file and then click on Continue. So the second step will be to identify the column. So I have here a list which has a header row with the column names. So I can just go ahead and tick the box and then continue to next step. So the third step is to review the service that we're going to use for this file. Going to only select the standard append, as this is the most affordable way to find associated information with our current data. And since I'm aiming to find phone number for the current data that I have, I'm going to explore the 4 services from here. We can explore and differentiate the typical match rate for each and every service. I'm aiming for the highest match rate, and this is the service which has the highest match rate, and this is what we're aiming for. As you can see, this is the page where we can also review the number of records we have for this file, the estimated cost, the cost per hit, and the typical match rate. Also, this is where you can see how many minutes it will take. So the estimated processing time for this file is only 1 minute. So to proceed, you can just go ahead and process my data after reviewing all of the information. So click on Process My Data, and then that will lead us to the 4th step, which is just a confirmation that our file is already up and running. And if you wanted to monitor your batch, you can just go ahead and click on Batch Dashboard if you're still on this page. But if you're no longer on this page, you can simply click your name on the upper right-hand corner if you wanted to check your current file. This is where also you can view all of the files that you uploaded in the past. And here you can see all of the helpful information, such as the service you used, when you uploaded, how long it took, the number of records, the cost, and also this is where you can download it by clicking the download results hyperlink. And that's how easy our batch append tool is. This is so valuable for anyone who needs accurate contact information, as this is essential for effective communication and marketing. This will help you quickly and accurately update your contact list to ensure that you have the most complete and current information available. So if you wanted to learn more about how batch append tool works, please visit searchbug.com today to enhance your contact list.